Hi guys, on this video, we're going to talk about Security Bank's complete Cashback Platinum Mastercard. And I'm going to show you kung paano mag-apply online. So the main reason why I wanted to get another credit card is because I wasn't too happy with the Eastwest titanium credit card, which I've had for over a year now. I did get cashbacks from them pero hindi siya consistent. There were times na hindi na credit yung mga cashbacks ko. And I brought this up sa customer service nila and it was really difficult to communicate with them. I'm probably gonna talk about it more on a separate video. But ayun, that's why I was looking for another credit card that I could use for my daily expenses like groceries, gas, and based on research, mukhang okay naman tong Security Bank because it has 5-tiered rebates, which are 5% cashback on groceries, 4% cashback on gas, 3% cashback on utilities, 2% cashback on dining, and 1% cashback on shopping. So actually, its offer for cashback is better than Eastwest. Kasi si Eastwest Titanium, it only gives cashback for groceries, gas, and medicines. These are the only things that they consider as essential purchases. And may minimum sila na non-essential purchases na kailangan mong ispend before makuha mo yung mga cashback on the essential purchases. Dito kay Complete Cashback Platinum Mastercard sa Security Bank, you can earn rebates or cashback regardless of the amount. In fact, meron pa silang cashback calculator na pwedeng nyong i-view on their website.
So if you go to their website, punta kayo sa baba and then here, meron silang cashback calculator. So for example, 4,000 pesos yung grocery spend ko, total cashback ko is 200 pesos. If gas ko is like 1,000 pesos and then nag-spend ako shopping worth like 600, this is the total amount na makukuha ko.
Ang maximum na cashback or rebate na pwede nilang ibigay per month is 1,000 pesos. So you can save up to 12,000 pesos in a year. So when and how do you get your rebates? Auto-credited na yung rebates nyo on your statement. So you don't need to call or request for the cashback. The cut-off is every 12th of the month. So for example, bumili ka ng say groceries ng November 11, pasok siya sa statement mo ng November. If nag-spend ka naman, for example, on November 13, sa December statement na makikredit yung cashback mo. These cashbacks cannot be converted to cash, madededuct lang siya sa bill nyo. Take note that online transactions do not qualify sa cashback. Only swiped transactions. Pwede nyo pa din gamitin yung credit card for international transactions, pero hindi lang siya mag-earn ng rebates or cashback. So, if bumili ka ng grocery, for example, abroad, hindi makikredit ang cashback doon. For me, I would use my BPI Signature Visa card for international transactions. To know more about it and its perks, you can check this video.
Aside from these 5 perks that I've mentioned, meron din tayong exclusive Mastercard promos from various merchants. Click nyo lang tong learn more and you'll see some of the promos na pwedeng i-avail from them. So yan, pwede nyo i-browse. And then e-commerce purchase protection up to $200 when you shop online with Cashback Platinum. So, ayan, you get global coverage up to $200, coverage for wrong or incomplete delivery, protection over damaged items, insurance for non-delivery after 30 days of scheduled delivery date. So, even if hindi tayo nakaka-earn ng cashback through online purchases, may nakukuha pa tayong advantage when shopping online using this card. local lounge access. We get access as well sa mga lounge na to. A-Lounge, PAGS, and Marhaba lounges with certain conditions.
Now, who are eligible and ano ba ang mga requirements? The principal cardholder must be 21 to 65 years old and dapat Pinoy and a Philippine resident. Employment, dapat employed siya as a regular employee for at least 1 year or kapag self-employed naman at least 3 years. Gross annual income should be at least 750,000 pesos and kapag self-employed ka, dapat security bank depositor ka for at least 12 months. Kailangan din na meron kang sariling contact number and email address. Required documents, meron ka dapat government-issued photo-bearing ID. For employed applicants, dapat meron kang 1-month payslip or COE or ITR. For self-employed applicants naman, dapat meron kang ITR and DTI or SEC registration. Ngayon, how much would the credit card cost? For the complete Cashback Platinum Mastercard, 3,000 pesos annually yung fee. For the first year, waived siya. We can probably ask na i-waive ito, pero since it's a cashback card, I don't think this is waivable. But let's see next year. To know more about the card and its terms and conditions, be sure to check their website. Ngayon, I'll be showing you the process of how to apply for the credit card and ano yung timeline.
Open the Security Bank mobile app, then go to Services. Tapos, click nyo Credit Card. Mari-redirect kayo sa browser, input nyo yung details nyo. So, that includes your first name, middle name, last name, email address, and mobile number. Then, read and agree to the affirmation and authorization. So, no, I do not agree to have any accounts used for purpose of cross-selling products. And by submitting the information, I hereby indicate my consent to its collection and use by the SBC Group. Next page. So, sagutin nyo lang to if you're an existing security bank card holder, account information, and your card details. If meron kayong existing credit cards, ilista nyo lang dyan. Advantage din kasi and more chances of approval if meron yun. Select your annual income. This could be a basis din for the approval of your credit card. So, if gusto nyo mag-apply ng any of these cards, make sure to check kung ano yung mga minimum requirements nila. In this case, ang applyan ko is yung Cashback Platinum. Kasi if you don't meet the requirements, posibleng ma-deny kayo or mabigyan kayo ng ibang credit card that matches your details. So, yan, select natin. Personal information, kung ano yung name that will appear on the card, gender, mother's maiden name, and other personal details. Your home address, office address, yan. Okay. So, next is your employment details. If you're employed or self-employed, input your other details like your TIN number, again, your annual income, nature of business, of where you work, or kung ano yung business nyo, tenure, ID, TIN, address, ayan. And then, magsasubmit kayo ng documents. So, if multiple documents ang i-upload nyo, better merge it into a single file and pwede nyong i-click tong try this tool in order to merge them. And then, pag malaki naman yung files nyo, pwede nyong i-compress using this link. Then, delivery options. You can have it delivered sa home address nyo or office address. And then, if ma-renew yung credit card nyo, ma-deliver siya sa branch address. So, you just have to tick this in order for that to apply. And then, if you want your SOA to be delivered via email address, just click this. On my case, for the required documents, nag-submit lang ako ng photo of my ID from my camera phone since mobile ang ginagamit ko.
After that, just click submit. And ayan, here's the confirmation of our application. Meron tayong na-receive na SMS instantly confirming that our application was successful. It will be processed within 7 banking days. If ever wala kayong ma-receive, you can follow it up using the reference number given. And you can search card application status sa website nila para makita yung status of your application. You can also try to message them on Security Bank's verified Facebook page. On November 6, that's when I submitted the application. November 8, that was when I received a text message na approved na yung application ko and i-deliver daw yung card within 2 to 5 banking days. On November 12 naman, I received another SMS and ini-inform nila ako dito about my credit limit and cash advance limit. I also got notified that my credit card is on its way and matatanggap ko siya within 14 banking days. On November 19, I finally got the card and I was able to activate it by following these instructions. So, November 20 ko siya inactivate and agad naman na na-confirm yung activation ng card. By the way, I noticed na dun sa mail nila sa akin, hindi nakalagay dun yung credit limit ko and cash advance limit. Sa text makikita. Don't forget to like this video, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell in order to be notified on more videos similar to these. Thank you guys. Bye!